How do I get cells in Excel that contain IP addresses to sort properly? I am currently working with a large list of IP addresses, thousands of them. However, when I sort the column containing the IP addresses, they don't sort in a way that is intuitive or easy to follow. For example, if I enter IP addresses as follows. If not, is there another way for me to achieve this ultimate aim?
As you may have realized, your IP addresses are treated as text and not numbers. They are being sorted as text, which means that addresses beginning with 162 will come before addresses beginning with 20. Because the character 1 comes before the character 2. You can use the formula provided in this answer, this URL to split the IP address into its parts. If your IP addresses are in columns A, add columns B as shown below. Enter the formula. In cell B2 and copy it to columns B in all rows to get the 4 parts of each IP address. Now sort the whole range by columns B through E, in that order, as shown below. If you don't want to see the helper columns, BE, you can hide them.
The most easiest, 3-step solution I can suggest you are: select the IP address column, apply text to column command. In adjacent column write this formula: equals concatenate B3, C3, D3, E3. Finally sort in ascending order. Check the screenshot. NB. Red is original IP address in column A. Green after applied text to column B to E. Black is after applied concatenate and amp, sorting, column F. The reason is very simple. Originally IP address is text data, and Excel doesn't accept any cell format to turn it to number. Hope this helped you.
Here I have a function I wrote some time ago to solve the same problem. It generates a padded version of an IP4 address which sorts correctly. Simple example. Result. Formulas. You can sort by the sortable column and hide it.
Not exactly the most easily readable formula, but you can just copy and paste into your cell, preferably N2 or something else in the same row as your first IP address. It presumes proper formatting of the IP address, as error correction in the formula would make it even worse for human parsing,
you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.